Yogurt, long a champion of digestive calm, has begun training for a more specialized mission, delivering symbiotics, probiotic and prebiotic combinations, in the battle against the confusing, cramping chaos that is irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. If probiotics are the reinforcements your gut microbiome never knew it needed, and prebiotics are the high-fiber snacks that fuel their fight, symbiotics are the full tactical package. And yogurt, with its creamy hospitality and microbial real estate, might just be the perfect vehicle for their deployment. IBS is notoriously unpredictable. One day it's constipation, the next it's diarrhea, and all the while there's bloating, abdominal pain, and a general sense that your gut is going through an existential crisis. Traditional treatments, antispasmodics, laxatives, dietary changes, often feel like playing whack-a-mole with symptoms. This is where symbiotics shine. Instead of treating symptoms one at a time, they try to rebalance the entire microbial ecosystem at once. Yogurt is uniquely qualified for the job. It offers a biologically stable environment where live probiotic strains like Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium animalis, and Streptococcus thermophilus can flourish. These strains help suppress pathogenic bacteria, produce anti-inflammatory short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate, and reinforce the gut barrier, reducing the kind of leaky gut inflammation that may underlie many IBS symptoms. And by combining these probiotics with prebiotics, fermentable fibers like inulin, fructooligosaccharides, FOS, or resistant starch, the symbiotic effect kicks in: better colonization, longer survival, and enhanced gut modulation. Yogurt acts as the perfect landing pad for this microbial mission. Its semi-solid texture protects probiotics from stomach acid and bile salts, giving them a greater chance of reaching the intestines alive. And unlike pills or powders that feel medicinal and often taste uninspired, yogurt makes the whole treatment feel less like an obligation and more like a snack, which, for people dealing with daily discomfort, is no small win. Now, let's talk actual effects. Clinical studies on symbiotic yogurts have shown promising results in reducing the severity of IBS symptoms. Participants who consumed yogurt enriched with specific strains, Bifidobacterium infantis, Lactobacillus plantarum, along with prebiotics like galacto-oligosaccharides, reported less bloating, reduced abdominal pain, and more regular bowel habits. And while the placebo effect in IBS trials can be high, these benefits often came with measurable changes in gut flora composition and reduced inflammatory markers like CRP and IL-8, suggesting something real and replicable is happening down there. What's even more encouraging is how symbiotic yogurt seems to work across IBS subtypes. Whether you're Team IBS-C, constipation dominant, IBS-D, diarrhea dominant, or the chaotic neutral IBS-M, mixed, the gut-friendly peptides and SCFAs generated by probiotic fermentation seem to support smoother motility, better water balance in the colon, and reduced gut hypersensitivity. Basically, yogurt doesn't take sides, it just tries to calm the whole system down. Of course, formulation matters. Not all yogurts are created equal, and the strain prebiotic combo has to be tailored. Throwing a generic probiotic into any yogurt and sprinkling some fiber on top doesn't guarantee a symbiotic effect. The strains must survive fermentation, maintain their functional properties, and ideally have been tested together for compatibility. Fortunately, several commercial brands are now crafting yogurts with proven probiotic-prebiotic pairs, some even customizing them based on specific gut profiles, moving symbiotic yogurt into the realm of personalized nutrition. Still, there are caveats. High-lactose yogurts can worsen symptoms in lactose-sensitive IBS patients unless they use lactose-free bases or contain lactase-producing bacteria. And for FODMAP-sensitive individuals, prebiotics like inulin may initially worsen gas or bloating before tolerance builds. But in most cases, the fermentative nature of yogurt itself reduces lactose content, and slow introduction of symbiotics allows the gut to adapt. So while it may not be a miracle in a cup, yogurt fortified with symbiotics is emerging as a gentle, effective, and dare we say delicious strategy for taming the wild terrain of IBS. It's not just delivering relief, it's delivering resilience, wrapped in creamy, bioactive comfort. In a world of complicated gut supplements and hard-to-pronounce interventions, this is one therapy that tastes as good as it feels.